My name is Lanchi Dech. I'm from Calgary, Alberta. So in 2004, I was on my way home and a UPS truck caused an accident with me. As a result of this accident, I ended up with whiplash, which ended up with back pain, neck pain, and now I suffer from chronic pain as a result. So initially, I had hired on a lawyer at a different law firm. Unfortunately, I was not happy with his services, and a friend of mine recommended that I speak to Steve Grover at Grover Law, and I was very happy with that once I met with him, and his team was very understanding of my situation, led me through the process, and I ended up with a settlement that I'm happy with. I felt that I was taken care of. Because of the positive experience that I had with Grover Law Firm, if anybody out there has suffered from injuries from an accident, I absolutely would recommend that they contact Grover Law Firm. They'll take care of you.